Is GGM Panel a great site to take service and get paid for it, or is it just a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have tested hundreds of paid service sites, and in this GGM Panel review I will give you an inside look of this particular site and show you exactly what you can expect, so you can easily find out if it will be worth it for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites. I have now logged into GGM Panel, and I can just say right away that it is definitely a legit panel, and it has specific panels in quite a lot of different countries in the local languages also, but later I will get to exactly which countries it's available in, but for now let's focus on how you can actually earn here. And since it's a paid service site, at the moment of recording this video, they have just paid service as an earning method. I have been told that they are working on introducing some more earning methods, but paid service is definitely the main way to earn here, meaning you take an online survey and get paid for sharing your opinion. That's how paid service sites works, of course. So the thing is, once you're logged in, it just takes 20 seconds to sign up or something like that, and then you confirm your email, and then you're inside and you can see the available surveys. You can right away see over here how long it takes, so that makes it quite user friendly, and the reward, and how long ago they were added, and continuously there are new surveys added. So the rewards for some of them are pretty good, and for others not so good. The currency will also depend on the country you live in, but it's easy to see if you find it worth your time or not. Overall, I definitely think that a TGM Panel definitely has some good survey opportunities, and also compared to many other sites, you qualify more often than not for the surveys that they actually have here, which is of course a very nice thing. So how can you then get your earnings out once you have a completed service, and when can you get them out? And again, this is of course very important to know before deciding to join a service site or not. And it does depend a bit on the country, because you earn points when you take service, and the exact conversion ratio, that depends again on the currency you have. But overall, the payout threshold is usually in most countries around $10, the equivalent of $10, and you can get payout methods. It also depends on the countries, but in most countries you can get paid through PayPal, and you can see this is also around $10 US dollars anyways, and then you can also get these game codes, and in many countries also Amazon gift cards, and in some countries you can also get even more gift cards or different kinds of gift cards. So the payout methods are, in overall, it's a decent low payout threshold, and some good rewards you can choose from, especially if you like getting paid in cash. That is possible in more or less all countries, and if you like gift cards, then in many countries that is also an option. But of course you also need to know how you can even join, or in which countries you can join from, so I will just go over that next. So the thing about TGM Panel is that they have specific panels with a specific website for many different countries. It's kind of the same setup, so what I've just seen you here, it will look more or less the same in all countries, but you need to go to a specific website address to join in your country. And I know currently the countries I have on my website, paidfromservice.com, I will leave a link to this site below this video so you can easily find it. It shows the countries that they are currently recruiting new members in, and I will update that if I hear about new countries they start looking for new members in. But you can see here there are links to all the countries that they actually have a specific panel from. And the great thing about TGM Panel, it's not just specific panels for the countries that always have surveys and plenty of surveys. You can see there are some countries here that usually do not have that many survey panels available, so there's a good chance to find a survey panel, and if you live in one of these countries, I think it's definitely worth checking out. So overall, TGM Panel is an easy to use service site. No, not all rewards are high there for the service, but you can easily see how much you will get. And what makes it very user friendly is that it has specific panels in your local language in the countries I just showed you before. So as an extra service site to get paid to share your opinion, I actually think TGM Panel is a pretty good option. It's user friendly. You can use it on mobile also. You just need to sign up for the specific site for your country. And I like the payout threshold is decent, and it pays out fairly quickly, and has some good reward methods whether you want to get paid in cash or gift cards. So if you want to know even more details about TGM Panel, it's fairly simple, but if you want to know even more details, I have a full review on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I'll leave a link to that below this video, and there I will also leave the link to the joining site, where you can see the links to all the specific panels for the different countries where it is currently recruiting members in. So make sure to check that out, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites.